or making a false narrative sovereign of perjury.
Subordination.
Parang papailan ko ng kaso.
Tagam.
Total,
Birahe
hindi ko
tay.
na kailangan yung affidavit mo. Your narrative here is under oath. Hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. Thank you for giving me the time. I'd like to ask the Colonel, sino yung idiot na superior mo?
Idiot.
What is the question, sir? Who is the superior of...
Yes, the one who... Alam mo, ano ang ginawa nung ulol na yon? Subornation of perjury.
Nice ka tay.
That is a crime. Tingnan mo sa revised penal code. Idioto na opisyal mo o classmate mo.
Sir, it's not officer, congressman. Congressman ang nagsabi sa kanya. Ganun, congressman.
Yung idiot
Si Fernandez o si Abante. Birahe na tay, birahe. Mga animal na.
na congressman, subornation of perjury yan. He was suggesting, the mere suggestion of what he wants you to do is already a crime
No, Jud.
under the revised penal code. Yung inuudyok mo yung tao na mag-execute ng affidavit falsely or making a false narrative sovereign of perjury.
Yes, that's a crime under the
Yes.
revised penal code.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sige sir, because we are operating under time constraints. So sabi ko kanina hanggang 3 o'clock lang tayo. But sige, but
Wait,
can we...
gusto ko lang habulin yung classmate mo. Yung congressman. Parang papailan ko ng kaso.
Hindi.
Total, hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. Your narrative here is under oath. Hindi ko na kailangan yung affidavit mo. All I have to do is to take out your statement, the basis of filing a case of
Nice tay, good job.
subordination.
Our transcript of records will be available to anyone who will request, Mr. President. Okay,
Tagam.
Committee Secretary. Transcript natin available to everyone.